ever think, I'll start when I'm more experienced, when I know more? Spoiler, experience in knowing more is exactly what you get after you start. You don't need a fancy camera, a huge plan, or 10 years of practice before you start. You just need these 3 things plus the bonus tip at the end to build real momentum as a creator right now. Let's break it down. Most people wait to feel credible, but you're already sitting on value, your personal experience, your questions, your perspective. It's not your job to be an expert. It's to connect. And as John Maxwell has stated, everyone communicates, yet very few connect. People don't follow you because you know everything. They follow you because you help them feel seen. For example, the creators I personally connect with are the ones when I catch myself saying, hey, I've been through that too. Thank goodness I'm not the only one. Have you ever felt not qualified to post yet? Drop a mic below if you've been there. Clarity and confidence don't show up first. They show up after you publish a few dozen awkward videos. Each video teaches you something you just can't learn from a tutorial. Tutorials are helpful to an extent, but eventually you need to take action. I've learned so much about posting content after publishing compared to before publishing when I was getting ready to get ready. Think of your first 20 videos like a free therapy session, but with worse lighting and more self-doubt. How many videos did it take before you stopped cringing at your own voice? Be honest. The people who make it, they're not the most talented, they're the most in motion. They post, learn, adjust, repeat. You don't need a 6-month plan. You need a 6-day habit. Consistency is what makes you experienced. The day-to-day reps is what turns you into an expert, not the other way around. Which one's harder for you, getting started or staying consistent? Let me know in the comments. Every time you overthink, you delay the lessons waiting on the other side of publish. Train yourself to act fast, even if it's messy. Momentum doesn't come from confidence. It comes from movement. Don't wait for experience to find you. Go create it. Now let's talk about what's not talked about enough, your mental health. You're not behind. You're just stuck in a loop that says, I'll be ready someday. The truth? You're allowed to build as you go, and you're allowed to be proud of that. Every video you create is proof to yourself and to others that you're beating self-doubt, one video at a time. If this video helped shift your mindset even a little bit, hit like so more creators can find this too, and subscribe for more Mindset First creator support. And if you're ready for more support right now, check out this next video. Ever think experience and knowing more is what you get? It's when I know more. Spoiler. No. You just need these 3 things. Yeah. Most people want to feel credible. No. Your personal experience. You don't need to be the expert. Most people would. Oh, I've been through that. Have you ever felt like you're not qualified? They show up after a few no. They post. You need a 6-month. No. You're just stuck in a loop. You're allowed to be